Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mike Mbadiwe. Welcome. Today I have another brand new amazing AI Gigs software. This one is called AI Gigs and it's from my friends Mbadiwe and Mbadiwe. And this very instrument, in a nutshell, is the brand new automated 5-hour technology that creates 100% done for you and ready to profit AI gigs with done for you gig sites in just seconds for a low one-time price. And these gigs you can hang on Upwork, Freelancer, and of course Fiverr, where you can also create these sites for others who are intending to be out there as services. You can create gigs on anything whatsoever, and that gig contains every information about what you provide, which customers are going to rely on, and of course the pricing is included. It's an amazing instrument that is going to give you access to a business in a box, which you can deal on Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr and make money on daily basis. And you have the ability to even make up to 587 daily in real time on Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. And with this, you can back big selling done for you, copy and paste profitable artificial intelligence gigs, and you know what that means. So it's a crazy one, and I recommend it highly. Especially that it's coming from Mbadiwe and Mbadiwe, because this is what they do very well. If you need this product, the first link below in my description area will lead you to this very sales page where you can grab a copy using this link or any of the other links scattered all over this page. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. My name is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you, especially software and IT products that are going to help you, including training courses to make money online. So that's exactly what we have today for you. And if you stick with me, I have a list of bonuses that I'm going to show you, which are going to be of immense benefit to you to complement this product, and they are scattered all over this place. And if you stick with me to the end of this review, you'll be able to have access to that. I'll also show you the pricing. What I'm not going to show you, unfortunately, is the dashboard area of this instrument, because I asked for the review access and it was not given to me. That was yesterday, and now I am doing product without it. But in any case, it is what it is. Okay, so now let's see what the sales page says. Now, it is the first to market technology created 100% done for you and ready to profit AI gigs with done for you gigs selling sites in 3 clicks. And with this very instrument, you can get 100% done for you AI gigs with ready to use marketing material to make real profits. You can sell gigs on your own marketplace and save tons of dollars. They charge as commissions. Use artificial intelligence to grab your share of which $480 billion gig economy globally, and of course sell done for you, copy and paste profitable artificial intelligence gigs at Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and even on your own marketplace. And you can add affiliate links to maximize affiliate commissions hands down and accept payments globally around the clock without depending on any third party. Charge users by providing real amazing AI services across the globe, and you handle tons of customers and process countless orders globally on your own gigs sites. And you can use these stunning gig sites to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. You stop paying huge monthly commissions to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and you join the thousands of marketers who are making billions of dollars following the latest trend. Never worry about paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms, and it has ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. That's exactly, in a broad shell, what you have this product to do for you. Okay, so it is entirely up to you. If you go to Fiverr to outsource a service from any of those people on Fiverr or Market or Upwork or Freelancer, as you log into Fiverr and you search for whatever you want, you see list of people who are providing these services. Whatever you are looking at that comprise of all the information, including pricing, including hours, including anything that has to do with what you require as service, definitely you will find that very information on the person's profile. And that very information you're looking at, like a flyer or something, is called gig. And with this gig, you can definitely make money online, rendering services of any kind to people who are interested in getting your services. Okay, so that's basically what you have here. So you can create these for people who are intended to go into Fiverr. You can use this to create gigs for them, artificial intelligence, within a matter of seconds, and you have out there, and you can charge for that, and you can have your own site where you provide these things for yourself. This is exactly what this product is all about. And here are the amazing testimonials that you can have access to when you arrive here. So I will leave all of that to you to go through and see if this is going to be for you, and you can definitely produce some of these things and use it to market your products on, of course, social media. And you can do it with video animation. You can do basically everything: video creation, audio delivery. You have music delivery, programming codes. You have also website building. These are the gigs that you're going to actually be selling and producing with this artificial intelligence. So it's a business in a box as long as I'm concerned, and I recommend it highly. Okay, so that's about what you have with the sales page, which you are going to have access to. When you click that first link below in my description, you'll be able to have access to all of that. But in any case, I'm going to leave this for now and show you exactly the pricing for this product so that you see what it stands for. The front end goes for $19, which I believe after the launch of 4 or 5 days is going to go up to $17, and you will be able to have all these capabilities with this one, just like I have read out before. And now you have the pro version, which is the OTO number 1. It goes for $37 downsell. With this, you can remove watermark and powered by widgets on your services. Remove their branding and build your own brand, and add your own watermark instantly, and create even better gig sites to entice more people, 10 times more people. Okay, so that's what you have with the professional more copy of this one, which is the OTO number 1, which is highly recommendable. And then you have the OTO number 2, which is the unlimited version, which means you have everything unlimited. Unlock unlimited gig sites and unlimited niches. Unlock unlimited AI gigs for your gig site. Unlock unlimited marketing materials for your gig site. You unlock everything unlimited. So that's what you have. Another recommendable OTO that you may stand to get. And you have the OTO number 3 as the done for you. It goes for 47, just 47. And that means everything is done for you by the team on this one. It's another one and that I recommend. And OTO number 4 with the buyer blast goes for 67, and you blast your AI gig services to 10 billion active buyers who are seeking different services by day. I mean, 10B active. I mean, I don't know if the world population is up to 10 billion, but I have issue with that. Okay, so in any case, that's what the vendor says. And OTO number 5 will be agency, which goes for $97, and you get the premium agency of AI gigs and create unlimited accounts for your clients and charge them as you wish. That's agency for you. I mean, it's a whole thing to get so that you can run your own agency comfortably. Okay, that's why I call it business in a box. Now you have the OTO number 6, the reseller, goes for $97, and here you have the ability to resell this product as if it's your own and keep the profit across the entire funnel. And now you have the OTO number 7, the white label, goes for $197. With this white label, that means you own this product. You can rebrand the entire tool, add your own branding, your own logo, and your own product name. And I mean, you know what that means. Okay, so and this is something that they give you money for ages to come, and of course that's exactly what the product is about. So this is the demo video of this very product in action. Maybe we should take a little look at that and see if it's going to play for us, because I tried to do so before, it was not going. So that's the demo video of this product in action, but I will leave that to you when you arrive here, and when you buy this product you'll be able to have access to all of that. So that's exactly the kind of things you expect to get with this very one, and I will leave that for you for now. Okay, so for now, let us see what I have as the bonuses that I have for you. Having gone through the pricing, my first bonus for this product will be the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which is going to be available with this link, and all this will be waiting for you on my Wara Plus account under your purchase history when you buy this product. Now you have the number 2, the list building expert. You have also internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, you have 30-day to bigger email list, chatbot, ebook, and you have chatbot marketing mastery. You have building the perfect sales funnel, you have blogging for profit, you have email list building blueprint, and you have also copywriting crackdown. All these are available training courses, ebooks, and bots that are going to actually help you make money online. As soon as you click any of these links, it takes you straight to the training, okay, or to the ebook, or to whatever that is a coin with this one. Okay, so you have all the information you need. At any point you decide, I will encourage you not to forget to use the first link below in my description to be able to get a copy for yourself. And that is where we are going to definitely come to the end of this review. I will come back to you in my next. I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from Spain, and from here, from me, is goodbye.